Hello student, welcome to Chem at that point. So today I will discuss class 12 chapter 3 alcohol, phenol and ethers, right? So this video is based on MCQs, right? And it is a subtopic. It will cover classification of nomenclature of alcohol, phenol and ethers. It is a DPP 1. So let's start. So now it's the first question. Classification, right? So DPP1 is based on classification, right? So primary, secondary, tertiary alcohol, it will be classified and identify some alcohols which are the secondary, which are the tertiary, which are the primary, right? So let's start. The first question, classify CH2OH, CH2OH, right? Based upon the number of alcohol group present. Dear students, first of all, you just look carefully how many alcohol groups are attached in carbon atoms, right? It's clearly mentioned two alcohol groups are attached to carbon atoms, right? So you just look options. First option is the monohydric alcohols, second option dihydric alcohol, third option trihydric alcohols, and last option is the secondary alcohols, right? So it is a dihydric alcohols because two alcohol are attached adjacent carbon atoms. Got my point? So now move to the question number 2. Classify CH3 tries COH based on the degree of carbon atom to which the hydroxyl group is attached. Okay, first of all, dear students, it will be splitted, right? CH3 tries, that means 3 methyl group attached 1 carbon atoms. It's the first point. 3 methyl group are attached 1 carbon atom, and that carbon atom also attached 1 OH group. Got it, my point? Do you understand my point? And it is a structure of tertiary alcohols. Tertiary alcohols. The right answer is tertiary, option B. Got it? Any confusion? Nice. Now move to the question number 3. Describe the complete classification of monohydric alcohol according to the hybridizations of carbon atom to which hydroxyl group is attached. Okay, according to hybridizations, right? Have a look. So first of all, it's a NCERT book phase. I just pasted in NCERT books. Okay, you clearly understood. So first of all, this monohydric alcohol may be further classified according to the hybridizations of the carbon atom to which the hydroxyl group is attached. The first weight compound containing carbon sp3OH bonds, right? Dear students, sp3 means it is a tetrahedral geometry, right? And that carbon atom, they have no pi bonds, they have no multiple bonds. Got it, my friend? So all are single bonded. Got it, my friend? So it is a sp3 hybridized. Do you understand my point? So in this class of alcohol, the OH group is attached to an sp3 hybridized carbon atom of an alkyl group, right? Of an alkyl group. They are further classified as follows: primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol. In these three types of alcohol, the OH group is attached to primary, secondary and tertiary carbon atom respectively as depicted below. Just have a look. CH2OH, CH2OH, it is a primary alcohol, right? CHOH is a secondary alcohol, COH is a tertiary alcohol. Dear student, all of you know that carbon they have 4 bonds. Do you understand my point? Carbon they have 4 bonds, right? So one hydroxyl group are attached in one carbon atom. They have 2 hydrogen. it is a primary. One OH group are attached one carbon atom, then that carbon atom directly attached one hydrogen, it is secondary. And OH group attached one carbon atom, they have no hydrogen, and three bonded are the alkyl groups, it is a tertiary alcohols. This is the first way. And you can say in the second way, one alkyl groups are present, it is a primary. Two alkyl groups are present, it is secondary. Three alkyl groups are present, it is a tertiary. Two way you can be say. So next, allylic alcohol, right? Allylic alcohol is very important, it directly come in your exam. Allylic alcohol, in this alcohol the OH group is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon adjacent to the carbon-carbon double bond, that is to an allylic carbons, right? Dear students, OH group attached first carbon, it should be sp3, and adjacent carbon it must be sp2. It is that compound, it is known as the allylic alcohols, allylic compounds. Do you understand my point? So it also a three types: primary, secondary and tertiary. Okay, it depend upon alkyl groups. Now second bit, benzylic alcohol, right? In this alcohol, the OH group is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom next to one aromatic ring. For example, benzene attached to CH2OH. Okay, benzene attached to CH2OH. So OH group directly attached to carbon, they have the two hydrogen, right? It is the primary, I already told. And OH group attached that carbon, it should be one hydrogen, it is secondary. And OH group attached that carbon, it should be no hydrogen, right? So it is a tertiary alcohols. Got it? Now move to the allylic and benzylic alcohols. Maybe primary, secondary, tertiary, right? So third bit, compound containing sp2OH bond. This alcohol contain OH group bonded to a carbon-carbon double bond, that is to a vinylic carbon or aryl carbon. These alcohol are known as vinylic alcohol, right? Vinylic alcohol means OH group attached that carbon, it should be sp2. Got it? sp2. Now move to the next question, question number 4. So classify the following as primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol. Dear student, you just try yourself, right? So first of all, keep in the mind, dear students, OH group attached that carbon atom, it should be two hydrogen, it is a primary. Okay, one hydrogen secondary, no hydrogen tertiary. Got it? The first bit, the OH group attached two hydrogen, right? OH group attached that carbon, it must be two hydrogen, that means bit 1 is the primary. Okay, have a look. And the bit 2 also primary because two hydrogen are there, and bit 3 also primary, two hydrogen atom are there, and bit 4 one hydrogen, right? One hydrogen, it is a secondary, right? And last bit 5 is a one hydrogen, also secondary, and 6 bit they have no hydrogen. OH group attached that carbon, they have no hydrogen, it is a tertiary. Understood? Any confusion? Very nice. Now next question. So the correct IUPAC name of the following compound is, so it is a compound, it just counted longest continuous carbon chain and starting from right side 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? So 1 bromo, 4 chloro, 4 methyl, hexane, 3 OL. Correct. Option A is the correct. Now question number 6, write the IUPAC name of the following compounds, right? 1 2 3 4, so 3 methyl butane, 2 en, 1 OL. Correct. So 1 2 3, It's a compound starting from left side 1 2 3. So 2 methyl propane 1 3 diol. Okay, you just look propane, propane, e are there, right? Why? Because 2 alcohol group are there, that's why it cannot be replaced the e. So draw the structure 2 methyl propan 2 ol. It's a structure, thus have a look, you can try yourself, right? Hexane 1 en 3 ol. Okay, and write the IUPAC name of the following compound: 1 ethoxy 2 methyl propane. Okay, 1 ethoxy 2 methyl propane. In the ether, okay, ROR, just look which alkyl group are less number of carbon atom are there. They have less number of carbon atom, it is a comes to the prefix. Okay, but in this case, in the right side they have 2 carbon atom, and in the left side 1 2 3 3 carbon atom there. So which side is less carbon atom there? In the right side. Got it? That's why 1 ethoxy, okay, 1 ethoxy is the prefix. Okay, then 2 methyl propane. Got it? Now this one also 1 methoxy 2 methyl butane. Okay, 2 phenyl propan 2 ol is the second bit. Got it? Question number 9. Write the IUPAC name of the following compound. First of all, you just try yourself, then you can check the answer. So first answer is the 4 chloro 2 3 dimethyl pentan 1 ol, 2 ethoxy propane 2,6 dimethyl phenol 1 ethoxy 2 nitrocyclohexane. Now next question, question number 10. Classify the following as primary, secondary, tertiary, allylic and benzylic alcohol along with their IUPAC name. Okay, dear student, please try yourself. Okay, then you can check the answer. So first of all, first question is the primary 2 2 dimethyl propan 1 ol. Okay, and second bit primary allylic prop 2 en 1 ol, and C third bit primary propanol. Then next secondary benzylic 1 phenyl ethanol, and E secondary 1 phenyl propan 2 ol, and F tertiary allylic 2 methyl 4 phenyl but 3 en 2 ol. Got it? It's the last question, dear students. Okay, so it is a very important question, dear students. It's comes into directly in your exam. Okay, don't forget, first of all try yourself. Okay, then you can be cross check your answer is correct or wrong. Okay, so best of luck. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.